So happy new year everyone. So we got another year, another amazing time so that we can improve ourselves, right? So it was amazing year last year and now I'm hoping for a great year in 2019. And of course everyone is having their resolutions, right? They want to start something new. In fact, I feel, it's not just new year, but a new day where you can improve yourself. Don't just depend upon the first day. As you can see, the title is not just about day one. It's also about the entire year, right? So don't just spend your time thinking about the parties, of course. That's very important, right? We had the amazing, of course, everyone has celebrated their new year, the 31st December, right? Now, in this year, we have to make sure that we do something different, right? Okay, when I say something different, I'm not saying you have to change the way you work. It's just that we have to fulfill all of our dreams in this year, okay? In fact, yes, we have the next big year coming up, which is 2016 or 2020. We all are waiting for 2020, right? I feel this is the benchmark. Okay, 2019 will be the time where you can set your expectation for 2020. So of course, in fact I have some goals for 2020, not for 2019. But to fulfill that, I have to work very hard in this particular year. Yes, I do have some resolution. I don't want to reveal that now. Of course, everyone has that, and then we want to complete that, right? So there's one thing which I want to share is I will be making sure in this year at least I will be making sure that every day counts for me. In fact, I tried that from last few years. I make sure that every day of my life counts. Of course, I want to enjoy my life. I want to enjoy parties. I want to go out. But I make sure every day I do something. Even if I'm going out somewhere, at least for half an hour, I will change my day. Example, let's say if I know about X things in today, I have to make sure that tomorrow I will know X plus one, something different. Okay, so fulfill your dreams, work hard. There are so many things you can do. There are so many things you can achieve. The only thing, the difference between successful people and not unsuccessful people are, there are a few differences. One of the difference is they work very hard, right? The thing is, the second one is consistency. You have to be consistent with whatever you're doing. A lot of people say, being a YouTuber is easy, being a YouTuber is difficult. Okay, I will take both. It's easy and difficult as well. The initially when I started this channel, I was not getting proper response. Okay, in fact, when you start this channel, if you are planning to start your channel, it will not be easy. Okay, it will take a lot of time to get to that level, right? You have to be consistent because when you upload videos for the first time, you will, of course, you will not get views, you will not get subscribers. But if you're consistent, you will get views, you will get subscribers. You just have to push videos, quality videos. The same thing is applied for different field as well. So if you want to be a good programmer, if you want to be a good architect, and whatever you want to be, make sure you're consistent with your dream. Don't just change your dream every now and then. Try to do commitment with everything which you are doing. So let's say if you feel if you feel you want to achieve something, committed to it. Of course, initially you will find it very difficult. When I try something new, things are very difficult, right? In fact, when I started learning blockchain, trust me, it was not that easy for me as well. I got excited because of blockchain, but then I tried working on that. It was quite difficult. Yes, I can make any type of videos I want. I can make blockchain videos, but I wanted to make quality content, and that's why it's taking some time. So it is difficult, but then I'm trying my best to fulfill that. As we all are humans, right? We are lazy, but then we have to make sure that you are consistent. Last year, I have started with a lot of stuff. I started with blockchain, which I was excited about, and then I completed one series which I was not expecting actually. Python was never on my list. Okay, it was blockchain, microservices, Spring framework, but I don't know because of some questions. Some of my subscribers they were committed. Okay, they were consistent in asking me about Python videos. I thought, let's start. Initially, I thought I will make normal videos the way I did for Java, but later I felt, it's time to give more. It's time to, because the only problem with online learning now is people get bored very easily, right? In classroom training, we have that physical connectivity, so we have people sitting in front of us, we have a trainer you can look up to. But what about online training? So everything is recorded and it's quite boring, right? And that's why we started with Python animated series. Where we have a green screen, like that we have that green screen, and then my face as well. it was difficult for us to edit those videos, and it needs a different mindset to actually work on those type of green screen. But yes, so we have to be committed. Okay, so this is a new year, new day. Of course, you can start your planning. You can start whatever you want on any day. Okay, so it can be 5th December, it can be 21st Jan, it can be 15th October. It doesn't matter what day you want to start. What is important is start. And yes, this is amazing day, right? Jan 1st. It looks cool, right? You know, when you start something new on this day, you feel good about it, right? So of course you will be having a lot of resolution, but the only thing is be consistent. There is one more thing. When you, as a person, when you learn something new, try to implement that. Of course, you are learning a lot of things from this channel. Not just this channel, there are so many platforms where you can learn, but make sure that you keep learning. Okay, don't just don't just keep it aside, because the moment you keep something aside, everything evaporates. That's how your brain works. So that's what I wanted to share. Yes, I was busy last week. I was busy with trainings. I was busy with some official work, and of course it's year end, right? So I was busy, and now since it is new year, everything has to be started, right? So again, the series will be resumed, both for blockchain, Python. Yes, I'm planning for Panda series as well. That's something I know a lot of people are waiting for. Yes, I was thinking about Django as well, but it will take some time. Okay, there's so many things are coming up. This year will be amazing because there are so many things in my mind lined up. Okay, because this time I will not just think about it. I will make this code work. I don't know if you can see that code, because that is yeah, I can see a mirror image. I don't know if you see on YouTube. Will you get a mirror image or you will get the actual image? But that's something I will be doing. So I will not just think about the ideas, I will implement them. So this year, don't just think, start implementing. Okay, this is your day one. Do something this day. Okay, don't just waste this day. Okay, this is very important. I know you want to enjoy this day, but don't waste it. Utilize this day. Do something. Okay, it may be a small amount of work, but do something. This day will set the benchmark for your remaining 30 to 65 days. Okay, whatever days we have. Make sure that you utilize this day and every day learn something new. Okay, I know there are so many things you want to learn from me as well, but I can't do everything. So don't just depend upon one platform. There are so many platforms. Explore them. Go to Google, search for the resources. There's so many things available, right? But don't leave this channel, because we are going to push a lot of amazing content. Okay, so hold on, subscribers. You will be getting so many things. But yes, you can help me as well, as this is new year. Let me know. So do send me feedbacks. Okay, feedbacks are very important. In the comment section when you watch a video, say what you felt about that video. If it was good, it was bad, or maybe something you were expecting, so that I may not be replying to your comments. Okay, that's don't think if I don't reply to your comments that I don't see your comments. I do see your comments, and the next video I try to improvise on that. I try to let's say if you have any questions on Python, I also did. I created a new video just to answer that question. Okay, so yes, I do see your comments. So make sure that you put comments. You can motivate me by liking those videos. You can also like this video, right? That's how you motivate me. That's how thing works, right? Even I need motivation. Yes, I am motivated for a lot of stuff, but sometimes I need your support as well. So do motivate me with that. Also share this video with your friends, as you're doing from a long time. Yes, there's so many content on the way for Python. Okay, so when I say on the way, I will be starting making those videos from tomorrow. So today I have some official work which I have to complete, and from tomorrow I'll be starting pushing videos. So Python, blockchain will be resumed for sure. And then we are also working on the website, because there is one thing which I felt. There are some technologies which are supposed to be put at one place. The problem with YouTube nowadays, things are changing very fast with YouTube. Maybe they are changing the algorithms, they're changing the way people get notified. When I go live, I don't know how many people got notification, but not a lot of people have got notification here. So maybe they're changing a lot of stuff. That's where I'm thinking to don't just depend upon YouTube. We are building some other platforms that we can. What if something goes with YouTube in future? I don't want to depend my future and your future of learning on YouTube. So parallelly, we'll also have a platform where you can learn for free and by paid as well. But that's something in development, so we are working on that as well because we need to make sure that you get all the quality content. That's very important for me. Okay, so voice quality is not good. I don't know if there's a network issue here. Or it always happens, the place where I'm staying now, there's always network issues here. Let me still verify, how things are going on YouTube here. Things are going on YouTube here. Okay, the voice quality you're talking about because I'm not using any mic today. Okay, the voice quality. I'm not using any mic today. I'm directly using my mobile phone microphone. I know I should be using a mic, but that's not. This is a new year, right? Let me talk to you people. Uh, okay, so let me just pick up some questions here randomly because this is not a Q&A session as we normally do. But let's have something. C sharp, no, C sharp is not in my list as of now. Okay, you have a great communication skills. Oh, thank you so much, Suraj. Okay, a lot of people are saying Happy New Year. Once again, Happy New Year, everyone. This year has to be amazing. To be honest, I'm waiting for 2020. I just want to set this year to be, this year I want to make so stable so that I can enjoy my next year. All my future plans are for next year. But this year I have to make sure that that year is successful. Okay. Okay. So your list, yeah. So I have a lot of planning, but I don't want to reveal that now. I'll be making a separate video on what things I'll be doing in this year. Okay, so in general, I want to make sure that I push at least one video per day. Okay, that's something I'm trying to do from long time. So if you see this channel, we have more than 1,200 videos. It's not just any videos. All the videos have some content. Most of them, in fact, 98% of the videos have technical content. Okay, or maybe 2% we have live sessions. We have some motivation, but then 98% content we have is educational content. Okay, so I'm trying to push as much as education content, and this year as well, I will try to push at least one video from my side. Even if I do collaboration, you will get two videos. Okay, one from the collaborator and one from me. That's what I'm planning now. So let's do one video per day. I don't know how successful I will be, but I will try to be consistent with that. Let's push one video per day. So what you will do, let's watch one video per day. So every day you will watch the video and you will learn something new. Trust me, it's very important for you as well to upgrade yourself. Even I do that. Okay, so every day I spend at least 2 hours learning new technologies or learning new stuff. So that's very important. This I also have planning to read more books. I bought 3 books this time. Elon Musk, again, I have read that book before, but I want to do that again. So Elon Musk is one book I want to read. The second book we have is uh, The Subtle Art of Not Giving. Okay, that's the book title. I don't know. I don't want to put that last word there. There's one more book which I want to read now is *Sapiens*, which talks about human history. Quite exciting, but let's see how that goes. So there are a lot of books in this year as well. So last year I read a lot of books. This year I will do that as well. Uh, so that's something I want to do. I would also want to improve my health. That's something will be coming this year. But so there's so many things, right? But all to be technical discussion, how exactly we are going to plan for this year, that will be decided. That will be I will be making a video on that. The series, maybe Python, I mean like pandas, Django, blockchain, what are things will be coming. We'll let you know. But let's say Python tutorials are awesome. I learned a lot of from these tutorials. Big thank you. Thank you so much. That's great. You enjoyed. Okay, Rajlakshmi says 21 lessons of 21st century is amazing. Is it? I guess it is from the same author because I read that in the comments, not comments, but then suggestion section. We'll do that. We'll surely read that book first. Okay, Telusko, you are my mentor. Okay, thank you. Thanks for making me a mentor. It's amazing. That's amazing feeling. That's what motivates me every day to get up and make videos, right? Uh, Okay, so yeah, that's it, everyone. That's the live session. We'll be making videos from. So we have to end now because I have to complete my lunch. I have to complete some work so that I can make more videos for you. Yes, thanks for per video a day. Yeah, that's right. So I'll be making video per day. So you need to support me with that. So whenever I upload a video, you have to motivate me. That's trust me, we need motivation. Okay, so if I upload a video, and the moment we don't get views, we feel the content which we are putting is not working, right? So we may change it even if the content. So you have to support us, right? You have to watch the video. Comment something about that video. What is good, what is bad, and like the video as well. Share with your friends so that we will get motivated. So once again, everyone, Happy New Year. Enjoy this new year. Make sure every day of your life counts. Okay, so the way I'll be doing that, I'll be pushing the video every day so that you will get motivated to work, to learn, or to work more every day. Okay, so that's it, everyone. Bye bye. See you in the next live session or next time. Bye bye.